Welcome to another episode in Rick's Garage. Okay, today's an exciting day. I'm going to hook up the Ballenger AFR500 version 2 to my Impala. And I hooked the black wire, the ground, to the incoming ground on the MSD box. And then I hooked the positive or the red lead over to the ignition terminal so that I can control that with a switch. And I've got the sensor hanging in a nice spot to do the free air test and calibration. So as soon as that's completed on calibration, I'll install it in the bung and we'll start taking some readings. So it takes about, they say minimum of 10 minutes. I'll wait a little past that, and then we'll do the calibration sequence. I'll bring you back after we do that. Shown here is the wiring in the MSD box. And you can see where the red positive lead connects to the ignition and the black ground lead connects to the MSD ground. All right, now we're at a point where I let it saturate for probably 14 minutes or so, and I'm going to turn the knob in the back to try to calibrate the sensor. There it is. Done. Now we'll turn the power off, let it cool down, and install the sensor. Welcome back. We now have the oxygen sensor installed into the exhaust. And we've got a nice gasket seal around the flange. We will now start the car up and warm it up and take our initial readings. Here's a close-up shot of the spark plugs before we made adjustments to the idle mixture. I apologize for the poor audio quality. I was able to make adjustments to the idle mixture screws, and you can see the results here are getting more lean. After adjusting the four-corner idle mixture screws, I was able to reduce the fuel mixture and achieve favorable results. After letting the car run at idle speeds for a while, I took it for a test drive, and you could see the improvements in the spark plugs already. I was able to stabilize the idle mixture circuit to about 14.5 is where I like it, and I'll continue to do further calibration work to fine-tune drivability as well as performance through the different RPM ranges and different loads. One of the benefits of having the AFR500 is the ability to change how the display shows your either air fuel mixture or lambda. And a good friend of mine that's going to help me do some dyno work and really set the tune on this vehicle is recommending that I switch over to lambda, which will also allow us to use it on other vehicles with alternative fuels like E85 and so forth. So this next video segment is just used to show how easy it is to make that conversion from air fuel ratio to lambda. Hope this helps. I'm in the process of converting the Ballenger AFR500. Instead of reading air fuel ratio, I'm going to I prefer to read lambda. So the instructions say to carefully take it apart, wear rubber gloves, ground yourself, and install that jumper in number 4. So we'll put it back together and try it out next time. Thank you very much for tuning in to Rick's Garage. I hope you found the information useful and can see how easy it is to install the Ballenger AFR500. Take care.